Today we are doing an unboxing and quick review of an accessory for the DJI Action. This is the cage by Smallrig for the DJI Action, where you can see it really protects the physical body of the DJI Action while giving access to the other features like the battery, access to battery, does not block the access to the memory card and the buttons, and also still retains the access view to the camera. So it is a little bit heavier, and add a lot of protection. So installation is very easy. It is provided with tools. There is the box provided to unlock and lock. Ever since I've installed this, I haven't get it out of the box yet, out of the cage yet. It comes at the top with a few extra additional screw mounts for you to mount any additional lighting or microphones, but I haven't tested yet. Here it is a 52mm filter thread. You can put a CPL, circular polarizer, or a natural density filter, or a variable ND filter. Here you can see that it does not block the access to the memory card. So charge it. So the battery. One is charging kit, Osmo Action charging kit by DJI. And maybe I unbox this. So what it comes with is just charging port itself, charger, and cable. There are already third-party chargers available, but I am skeptical to use them. So it's better to use the original charger available, sold by DJI. It's charged using a Type-C cable, where you can charge 3 batteries, not simultaneously, one at a time. This is you can charge with power bank. When all are fully charged, it will just not blink anymore. With it comes extra 2 additional batteries. This is the original one, if I'm not mistaken, and this is the spare battery that comes with the charger.